Hi viewers, how are you? Welcome to my channel Craft and Dia. You are watching today the planter of the old teacup, broken teacup, reuse ideas, planter ideas. You are watching the beautiful and unique ideas of the old broken teacup used for planter. You are watching the a jar used for planter, beautiful and creative ideas. You are watching a cup of tea used for a planter, cactus plant. You are watching a flower planter, broken reuse idea. You are watching cup of tea and saucer create a garden decoration idea. You are watching the decoration of the cup of tea. You are watching oval shaped planter dia. You are watching the different cup of teas. You are watching the planter plant pot broken reuse idea. You are watching the kettle and cup reuse. You are watching a broken cup, beautiful creation. You are watching a broken cup decorating idea. You are watching three cup of tea and spoons decorated. You are watching a cup decorated. You are watching a broken cup, beautiful decoration planter. You are watching a cup of tea decorate. You are watching different many cup of teas decoration. You are watching beautiful uh, decoration. You are watching some plants decorating with cup. You are watching broken cup planter idea. You are watching broken cup decorate with the wooden sticks. You are watching different uh, cup decorating ideas. You are watching the flower pot planter idea. You are watching the broken cup convert into beautiful giraffe shaped planter. You are watching a broken old cup used for planter, beautiful cartoon character planter ideas. You are watching six different ideas of planter reuse of the teacup coffee